digital sound synthesis is dating back to the late 1950s. With its evolution over the years, it showed great influence in new emergent musical genres, and it became a fundamental tool for electronic music production. The goal of this project was to design a novel sound synthesis model for impact sounds, following an analysis-synthesis approach. The development included the analysis of the sound of various instruments and the combination of multiple synthesis methods, leading to a promising concept. The model was implemented in the format of an audio plugin, allowing the integration to various environments and existing workflows. Results from usability tests led to valuable findings outlining possible improvements for further development of the model.